A. Caermare, Bishop of Dipolog.
Sa mga kasamahan po natin na nasa on-air at sa online, sa ating pong lahat na nasa loob at kanila po na nasa labas, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Good morning. We gather today with hearts full of joy and hope for this Walk for Life celebration. This is a cherished annual event, as our President of the LICO has said, that somehow made us united as pro-life advocates, as pro-life defenders, as missionaries of life. So together then we strengthen our commitment to uphold the sanctity of life, defend the family, and protect the most vulnerable among us. We used to say, habang may buhay, may pag-asa. In Cebuano, samtang dunay kinabuhi, ana ay paglaom. Where there is life, there is hope. Now this profound truth resonates with us as Jesus reminds us, I am the way, the truth, and the life. John 14:6. Now embracing this gospel truth helps us to understand what St. Paul said in his letter to the Romans, and quoted by Pope Francis in his letter in the Bull of Indiction for the Jubilee year. Spes non confundit. Hope does not disappoint, as our ultimate hope lies in Jesus. Or what I say, as our ultimate hope is Jesus Christ. In a society where the value of life is trivialized, an utterance of killing is simply a joke, not a threat, let us be visible signs of hope through the words we choose, as words can kill or can heal. As we face challenges in our nation's leadership, where transparency and accountability may waver, and the life of the nation is at stake, let us be beacons of hope by making informed choices in the leaders we support. Our collective efforts can shape a future that values life. Life in the family and life of our country. So on behalf of the CBCP Episcopal Commission on the Laity, the bishop members, at the Sangguniang Laiko ng Pilipinas, again, I welcome everyone and thank you for being here today. Therefore, together, we can make a difference to uphold the sanctity of life tomorrow, today, tomorrow, and always. Maraming salamat po sa ating lahat.
Thank you very much, Bishop Caermare of the CBCP Episcopal Commission on the Laity. This morning, let us be reminded that we are not just walking for nothing, but we walk with a conviction. As pilgrims of hope, we walk as pro-life warriors.
Let us draw inspiration from the